At Business SA, the reception area is a bit different. It's looking after by the international trade team. We have exporters coming in to have their export documentation certified and stamped. So we need to minding the area. Whenever we have a customer coming in, we have to, stop what we're doing and then talk to them, calling people at Business SA. So that interrupts our work a lot. But after we've got this Teamgo visitor management, it just saves us lots of time. We can keep what we're doing and let the visitor know. You can just sign in and your host will receive an email that you hear. I would highly recommend Teamgo Visitor Management. It's so easy to use. The visitors are really happy with the name tags. It's easy to sign in and sign out. It's going to be a great help for the reception area.